We are at guerrilla war with Burgamere. Raids are being carried out by Burgamerian partisans. If you live in these areas, please pay close attention to the following. If you see someone in diamond armor or above who you don't know, run and hide inside a building immediately. Once safe, inform the authorities using a tool to bribe boy at Lumos or any other government member. If you are a soldier in a DPLF and feel outnumbered by enemy forces, retreat to Aquivia and outside cans. Stay safe in these dangerous times. Draigath sing fame.